people, welcome back to Politics Watch. Now for this video I need my loyal subscribers to do me a favor, and the new people to the channel as well. But I need you to like this video and share this video because the channel is still relatively small, so we don't have a big reach. So I need the people who make the decisions in Jamaica to hear this video. So just pressure the like button, like how politicians pressure poor people, right? And let's get this video out, right? This is what we need to happen right now in Jamaica, because I'm tired of those reporting and talking, and every day we talk about 4-year-old, 7-year-old, 11-year-old. This is 2019. Can somebody explain to me why Jamaica doesn't have an official registered rapeable list? A list of all the men who have been charged for violating Jamaica's children. I mean, we can even extend it across to all sexual assault cases, right? But in particular, we need a special list of men who have been charged in the past, convicted, whatever the case, and put them on a list, a publicly accessed list, so we can know these men have been caught up in molesting Pitney, so that people no longer have the excuse of "me never know." Because a lot of people, their friends and family, them relatives, their husbands, their baby fathers, are the ones who are going around and molesting these children. And when a new case pop up and then people hear up on the shout say, "Oh, you know, say him did do this down a country too, him did do this over there," so people bawl out, "me never know." Well, okay, maybe they genuinely never know for real. So let's remove that excuse. We need a sex offenders list in Jamaica where anybody can publicly search and find out who is on that list. So that way we know those persons can't get no job when involves being around children, right? Those persons have to be, like I know in America, people and all my viewers and subscribers who live in America, I want you to confirm this for me. If you're on the sex offenders list, you can't be around no kind of schools, you can't be certain places at certain hours, etc. You can't live next door to no kindergarten or nothing like that, right? This is exactly what Jamaica needs, because as you saw in my Manchester video, things are only getting worse, because it started out with an 11-year-old, then he went to a 7-year-old, and then now he gone a 4-year-old. So what got up next? Now the man them are going to start going at the delivery room, then a Jubilee, and wait for as the baby them born, them start touch them up, because it's only getting worse, right? We need a list of these barbarians. We need a list of the men who have done things like this before, because people who do these things don't just do a one-off and go sit down, you know. They have a pattern, right? They carry out their attacks over and over again. If you have a family, right, and in that family multiple people, young girls or young boys have been molested in that family, it's usually the same relative I do it over and over, you know, the same man I do it over and over, you know, right? So when you hear upon the show, the hear said that one man do this to 4 or 5 people in the family, and that one man I walk up and down upon the road, same way. Every day just up in a suit and tie, gone to work, and nobody don't know where him up to. Right? Because the family members might not want to talk, because he might be the one sponsoring them or give them lunch money, and because of that, them don't want to mash up the local dolly house. These things happen in Jamaica every day, you know, people. Every single day, you know. So now, since we can't rely upon the family members to give us the names of these men, since we can't rely on the relatives and the friends to come throw them under the bus, Make any time a man get convicted or charged for anything like this, put them on the offenders list. That way society can say, and employers, right, and anybody who is bringing people, strange people around, children in particular, can go, what's your name? John Woodstock. Alright, bam bam bam, type in John Woodstock. Oh, you're on the rapeable list. You can't work yourself. Right? Because at the moment what happens is a man can do something in Kingston, run with our town, run with our country. By the time he reach a country, he's a whole new man with a whole new life story, and nobody knows say down a country, down a Kingston. He's a big time rapeable. And if somebody from Kingston will come tell you, say, yo, you know, say they get charged for this and that, you don't know. And vice versa. Right? A man from a rural part of Jamaica can do something at Trelawney, do something at St. Elizabeth, run with a Kingston, buy himself on a suit and tie and transform himself in a so-called respectable member of society. We need a rapeable list. We need a sex offenders list in Jamaica. I don't understand why in 2019 we don't have that. It should be publicly available, right? Especially to people who employ or who bring, who take in people without having any extensive. Because I know in Jamaica we don't have a lot of information about people. A lot of it is done on paperwork. Man write on paper say, oh, go link one JP, and the JP write one recommendation. Say, yeah man, I'm a good man. That's a ridiculous, outdated system. Right? We need that list. And we need that list ASAP. So that's why people, I want you to like this video and get this video out there. Share this video. Make Oof hear it. Right? And if them hear it and then not take action, well then we the people are going to name and shame them. This channel will name and shame them. Because enough man look like them do YouTube to make friend or get fame. But I'm ready to call out any politician, any public sector worker that is tasked with protecting the youth and failing to do so, they might get called out. Right here on this channel. The people, this is Politics Watch. Again, as I said before, please pressure the like button. Like how these crooked politicians have been pressuring Jamaicans for the last 50, 60 years. This is Politics Watch. Big up.